Good morning, all the students. Let's start role play activity. Be kind to animals. Once an elephant went to a river for bath. On his way, it saw a fruit shop. It put its trunk out for something to eat. The shopkeeper was very kind and gave it a fruit. The elephant was glad and walked down to the river. Every day, the shopkeeper gave the elephant a banana or an apple or something to eat. One day, the shopkeeper was not in his shop, but his naughty son was there. The elephant usually came to the shop and put its trunk out for the ripe bananas on the shelf. The boy gave the elephant nothing, but hit its trunk with a pin. The elephant walked down slowly to the river. It did not have bath that day. It filled its trunk with muddy water. Then it walked back to the fruit shop. At the shop, it gave the boy a bath with muddy water. The shopkeeper came to the shop the next day and came to know all about his son. He was very angry with him. He said, "Never hurt anyone and be kind to animals." What do you learn from this story? We learn from this story, never hurt anyone and be kind to animals. All the students, let's start discuss question answer. Where did the elephant go every day? The elephant went to a river every day. Next, why did it go to the river? It went to the river for bath. Where did it see the fruit shop? On his way, it saw a fruit shop. Why did it put its trunk out at the shop? It put its trunk out for something to eat. Next, did the shopkeeper give it anything? Yes, the shopkeeper gave something to eat. Why was the elephant glad? The shopkeeper was very kind and gave it a fruit. The elephant was glad. Did the shopkeeper give the elephant anything every day? Yes, the shopkeeper gave the elephant something every day. The shopkeeper was not in his shop. Who was there? The shopkeeper was not in his shop. His naughty son was there. Next, did the boy give anything to the